Good afternoon. Today we will start sex determination in human. In human, sex is determining XY type. XY system. There are 23 pairs of chromosomes present in humans, both male and female. Out of 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pairs known as autosome and one pair is sex chromosome. Sex chromosome. Female having pair of X chromosome whereas male have X and Y chromosome. During spermatogenesis, males produce two types of gamete. Types of gametes with equal probability sperms carrying either X or Y chromosome. During oogenesis, females produce only one ovum, only one type of gamete, one type of gamete. Having X chromosome. During process of fertilization, an ovum fertilized by the sperm carrying X chromosome develop into XX female. When an ovum fertilized by the sperm carrying Y chromosome develops into a XY male child. Let us see male, female, parent, male with autosomes 44 plus XY chromosome, female 44 plus XX chromosome, gamete. This is genotype of male and genotype of female. Its gametes form two gametes, 22 plus X, 22 plus Y, and single gamete 22 plus X, because female is homogametic. Then a sperm carrying X chromosome, that means 22 plus X fused with X chromosome of female form 44 plus XX chromosome. Female one is formed. Then 22 plus X, that means a sperm carrying Y chromosome fused with ovum to form 44 plus X and Y, male one is formed. Progeny, so the F1 generation. So genetic characteristics of a sperm show the sex determination in human It is responsible for determination of sex of child. So every pregnancy 50% of male or female child is formed. These are the most possibility. Next, determination in honeybee. Haplodiploidic sex determining system. In honeybee, haplodiploidic sex determination system. Honeybee show haplodiploid sex determination system. Female, male, parent. Female contain 32 chromosomes. Female is diploid. Male contains 16 chromosomes. Male is haploid. During cell division by meiosis, it forms 16 chromosomes and male divide mitotic division to form 16 chromosomes. Then 16 chromosomes fused with male 16 chromosomes, then 32 chromosomes form. This is female one. Female, that is queen or workers. Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. It forms 16 chromosomes. Unfertilized eggs drawn. This 16 fertilized drawn. Parent, this is gamete and progeny. So offspring formed union of a sperm and an egg develops as a female queen or worker, which are diploid, having 32 chromosomes. Unfertilized egg. Develops by parthenogenesis. Form male drone, which are haploid, having 16 chromosomes. Male produces sperms by mitosis cell division. They either have father nor son, but have grandfather or grandson. Now mutation. The sudden, stable, inheritable change in genetic material of an organism is termed as mutation. The organism which undergoes mutation is called mutant. The agent of mutation is called mutagen, that is ultraviolet radiations. The unit of mutation is called muton. When mutation takes place due to single base pair, change is changed in change in DNA sequence. It is called point mutation. Mutation are of two types: gene mutation chromosomal mutation. Gene mutations are of two types: point mutation frame shift mutation. Chromosomal mutations are of two types: structural variations and numerical variation. Numerical variations are of generally two types: aneuploidy, polyploidy. Aneuploidy, two types: monosomy and trisomy. Polyploidy, two types: autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. Polyploidy mostly seen in plant, but gene mutation or structural mutation seen in animals different. So here we know only name and outline of the mutation. We discuss genetic disorders in human. Genetic disorder these are disorders or illness caused by one or many abnormality in the autosome and sex chromosomes. It referred as autosomal as well as the sex-linked disorders. So genetic disorders differentiated or divided into two groups. One is also known as Mendelian disorders and second is known as chromosomal Mendelian disorder occurs due to the alteration or mutation in single gene. Chromosomal disorders occur due to excess, absence, or abnormal arrangements of one or more chromosomes. One or more chromosomes. Chromosomal disorders, two type. Aneuploidy, polyploidy. Aneuploidy are those type of disorders in which sometimes chromatids fail to segregate during cell division, resulting in gain or loss of chromosome. In aneuploidy, gain or loss of chromosome. But polyploidy, failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage in cell division results in an increase in whole set of chromosomes. Increase in whole set of chromosomes. So aneuploidy, two type, monosomy and trisomy, that is absence and chromosome 2n-1, and there is the addition of chromosomes 2n plus 1. So let's see. Chromosomal disorders. First, Down syndrome. It was first discovered by Langdon Down in 1866. It occurs due to the presence of an additional copy of chromosomes. Additional copy of chromosome. 21st chromosome or trisomy. Or 21st chromosome. It is also seen in chimpanzee and other primates. Symptoms: short stature with round, a small head, furrowed tongue, and partially open mouth. Palm is broad, with characteristics of palm creases. Slow mental physical and psychomotor development. Next, Turner syndromes. Turner's syndrome. It is caused due to absence of one of the X chromosome. X chromosome 45 with XO. Symptom: females are sterile as ovaries are rudimentary. Lack of secondary sexual characters. Short stature, a small uterus, puffy fingers, and webbed neck. Then third is Klinefelter's syndromes. This genetic disorder disorders is caused by the addition additional copy of this genetic disorder is caused by the additional copy of X chromosome in karyotype 47. XXY in male or 47 XXXXXX in female. Symptoms. Individuals have overall masculine development but feminine characters like development of breast, gynecomastia, poor beard growth and feminine pitched voice. And next characteristics, individuals are sterile. Okay, thank you.